This is the GE 5000 BTU mechanical window air conditioner. In this video, we're going to be going through the whole entire unboxing, setup, and installation process, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this air conditioner later on in the video. The unboxing process was very straightforward. Everything was professionally packed, no issues whatsoever. On the top of the box, you actually have the accessory pack, which is the two side panels. You have foam and anti-vibrational pads to keep all the bugs out, keep all the elements, and the warm weather. It'll keep everything out using the supplemental pack. And you also have the manual. Upon further unboxing of the product, it actually shows you how well the cord is wrapped up in plastic, and that's actually a GFI plug, which will disconnect under certain safety conditions where there might be a hazard. It'll disconnect so that there aren't any unfortunate accidents. You also have the top mount of the air conditioner, which allows the AC to sit back into the windowsill. In addition to that, you have the manual that comes along with the GE Windows air conditioner. The overall installation and setup process was on par with all of the other air conditioners that I've reviewed, at least most of them. You always have that top bracket, which is very easily screwed in, and I really do like how the side panels install. They just slide in, so it's toolless. You don't have to worry about screwing the side panels into the side of the Windows air conditioner. So overall, the setup process was a breeze. I really didn't have any issues.
Alright, so here's what the GE unit looks like installed in the window. It comes with a plug with a breaker for safety, your min cool starting at 1, and your max cool all the way up to 10. You have low fan, low cool, high fan, high cool. There's only one gripe I have with this unit, and unfortunately it's a big one. When I turn this on, which you will see in a moment, it makes a noise. And I'm currently working with GE to get this unit replaced. Any company that deals with any product is going to have a certain percentage where those products are going to have a problem. Ideally, that percentage is really small, but it all comes down to the manufacturer standing by the unit. And this manufacturer, GE, is standing by the unit. They are working with me to get the unit replaced. So now I'm going to turn it on and show you what it sounds like.